as we speak, I literally just broke the tail. I broke the tail. So like now it doesn't fully have a good flop. Oh my goodness, we are going to make a mermaid tail today, and you are going to see me fail multiple times. Because I'm just a girl and I don't actually know what I'm doing. This is not a swimmable tail. I'm going to say that right now. Do not try to swim in this if you recreate any of the chaos that I did. It's just for whimsy fun photos, and I got pretty ghetto with it because there was a certain point where I was like, I just want a tail and I'm done. So anyway, we made it work and I am so excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned on how I made this. Very chaotically. I couldn't sleep last night because I was too busy thinking about how cool it would be to be a mermaid. It'd be pretty freaking cool. So this is where the real lore began, where I thought that I could make this with limited fabric and not measuring literally anything. So it started off very delulu. So I ran out of fabric and I didn't measure and nothing fits anyway, so I went to Joann's. Squirrel did not find the right fabric, but I found this. It's like this weird sequiny material, super stretchy. So now I'm retrying. Like, I lost a lot of my motivation to make this legit. So we're just doing the slightly ghetto version. I'm shocked this went through the sewing machine so easily, but also yay. I just went through and took some scrap fabric in little triangles like this, because I think I'm just gonna spray paint this entire tail, so I'm gonna put these in there before I finish sewing it up. Alright, so this attempt went way better than the one prior. It went through the sewing machine super easily, but as you can see, it made a huge mess, so do be mindful, but giving it a little try on, and I'm getting so excited! I don't know what this is, but I ended up having to mute this because the song came on and I don't want to get copyrighted. But anyway, we're gonna start the monofin part. So I went through and I sewed this both sides together so it would give it this very clean look, and this is where I once again went wrong. Not with the actual full base, but I thought that I could put zip ties in there and it would be structured. So I was really wanting it to be floppy, which you can see here. The flop is flopping, but on it was pure flop and pure mess. So anyway, this also works really well for corsets if you take zip ties and you round off the edges, but I did not end up, wow, English, hello. I did end up keeping some zip ties in there, but as you'll see, I ended up trying cardboard because that once again failed, and cardboard was actually also a fail because as you can see how I'm ripping it, that flop, it does the exact same thing on the tail. So here I am, super excited, super stoked. I think I have this figured out. Finally, for once, I'm hot gluing it, I'm ready to go, I'm feeling amped. I'm a little mermaid. I am literally the Little Mermaid. But as you can see, the awkward flop, it's not quite going still, unfortunately. Oh gosh. But I'm gonna have my moment on the Lyra. Oh my gosh. This was a very happy moment, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even care that the tail was flopping because it looks bomb here, alright? And that whimsiness, girl! Schminkling it back. This was the ultimate ghetto moment for me. I ended up taking trim that you use for houses. or something, and I slid it in there, and it kept the tail completely straight, which is what I wanted. And then I just went in with spray paint, and honestly, spray paint on this fabric gave the prettiest texture. Like, this was the best decision that I could have made for this tail. Are you actually kidding me? Look at how sparkly this gold spray paint ended up looking, and I'm using the Rust-Oleum metallic gold. This is the moment where all of the chaos finally paid off. Just seeing it come to life. As we speak, I literally just broke the tail. I broke the tail. So like now it doesn't fully have a good flop. This is where it just broke, right there. This is the tail. So like, a vibe. The tail, even though I just broke it. Just a fish a-flopping. Can you even see me? Could you even see me up there? But, teehee. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my chaos, and yeah, honestly, 'tis the summer to be a mermaid. So, bye, thank you. Don't forget to smile, 'cause it makes the world go round.